Is the Nothing Phone 2 a great deal? What's up, guys? Welcome back to Gadget Beard. Today we're going to talk about the Nothing Phone 2. Well, not the Nothing Phone 2 in particular, but like around that subject, because it was just announced like yesterday, and it was announced at like 600 bucks, 700 bucks, and 800 bucks or something like that. But to me, that's flagship tier prices, and the Nothing Phone 2 does not have a flagship tier processor. And I know it has the Snapdragon Gen 1, but for it to be around the same price that the OnePlus 11 is, and the OnePlus 11 has the Snapdragon Gen 2, which is a far way more better processor than the Gen 1. The OnePlus 11 is the better buy than the Nothing Phone 2. It has the better processor, has the better display, 120 Quad HD display compared to, I think the Nothing Phone 2 has a 1080p display. Let me look that up real quick. Actually, I don't want to be giving you any false information. Yeah, it's a 1080p display, full HD display compared to the OnePlus 11 Quad HD display, 120 hertz. The cameras on the OnePlus 11 has great cameras, bigger battery on the OnePlus 11, and then the OS updates. OnePlus has been relatively good with updates, not fast, good though. So you're gonna get updates, and it's a more established brand. Yeah, I don't see how they can be charging that much for a device that doesn't offer you that much but a Christmas tree on the back of your device. Now, if you want a Christmas tree back there that lights up and stuff, then so be it. Get it. But in my opinion, I don't even think that device is any great. The OnePlus 11 is a way better. And I'm not only saying because I have the OnePlus 11, I'm just respectively saying because it's a better buy. Better hardware, better everything at the same exact price. The Google Pixel 7a is a better buy than the iPhone 2. It has today's current processor. Actually, let's compare the 7a to the Nothing Phone 2. They have the same display, 1080p display, 120 hertz, right? OLED. That's fine. When it comes to processor, the 7a has the newer processor from Google. The Phone 2 has last year's processor from Snapdragon. They got about the same amount of RAM, same amount of battery life. The only difference is you get a better software experience, in my opinion, with the Pixel. You get all the Pixel quirks and things that the Pixel software experience offers you. Updates, monthly updates, timely updates, OS updates, all that in the Pixel 7a, and it's 500 bucks compared to, I think they said 600 or 700 bucks compared to the Phone 2 at 600 or 700 bucks. The 7a is still a better buy than the Nothing Phone 2. The only thing I see that the Nothing Phone 2 has to offer you is the Christmas tree on its back. All the lighting, little gimmicks and stuff like that. But to me, I don't need that. I put a case on it anyways. Like, maybe if my kid wanted it because it thought it looked cool, but I don't know. I just feel like it's not a good buy. I really don't. I think they missed the mark here with it pricing it at 700 bucks. I think even the most expensive one was close to 900 bucks, which is ridiculously crazy when it comes to the Nothing Phone 2. But just a little rant that I had. If you're thinking about picking it up, let me know down in the comment section below why you're thinking about picking it up. But also let me know if you guys feel the same way as I do, because there's plenty of great phones out there for that price range that are way better than the Nothing Phone 2. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace!